Hey guys, this is Alex Harry. Today in this video I'm going to show you basic tools that you require to start your window tinting business. So let's go. Number one, you need a window tinter's knife here. This is specially made from stainless steel and it doesn't leave a scratch or doesn't damage the windows. You don't want to use this cheap knife on your cars or when you're tinting the windows. You want this stainless steel knife which only costs $5 to $6. Number two, you need a squeegee. You need this squeegee. This squeegee is a rubber squeegee, especially used to tint windows inside and smaller windows. You don't want to mistake yourself with the gray squeegee that is available on eBay and Amazon. This is only used for car wrapping. This is not used for tinting. This one is used for professional window tinting. It's rubbery. It won't leave marks or scratches on your glass. Number three, a hard card. You need this hard card to shrink window films on the side and on the rear. This is really hard. Don't use gray squeegee to shrink windows because this will start to melt. This will not melt and this will shrink your windows very perfectly. You can also get a softer hard card, which I use this a softer hard card for side of the windows, but normally I use this one for the rear of the windows. Moving on, you need a Blue Max squeegee. Now this is a very basic tool for window tinters. We need these tools to squeegee out water for the bigger windows. You can get this in different colors. They have different colors. This is red. They are sort of same size, but you can also get a longer handle one. I use this for a rear window in sedan because you cannot reach at the back. With this, I tint the whole cars, also home and offices. Another great tool I want to talk about today is white foot or gray foot, whatever you want to call it. It looks like a foot, and this is a best tool in your bag as a window tinter to tuck in the sides, especially if you're doing a top loading method. This is a great tool to tuck in the windows or films on the side and on the panel. You can also get a different version of this. You can also get a little bit thick black one. This can bend, but this doesn't bend, as you can see. So this one is $4. This one is $10. You can get a bigger version, as you can see, bigger version. Now this one, I use this for rear windows. Again, I use this for rear windows as well, especially in sedans. Okay, moving on. You also need a contour. This is a contour, but this is also a contour squeegee. Now you need the squeegees to tint a quarter windows or a very tight spot where you cannot reach with your hands or with the gray squeegees or your blue squeegees. And in that time, you need these contour squeegees that it's hard. It goes in hard to reach places in the tint in the car of the sedan. There's another thing. I sometimes use this bigger foot. As you can see, it's very big. And I also use this tool to sometimes tint the rear window of the sedan. Now last is a bulldozer. We call this a bulldozer. We use this, I use this to just clean the window at the back, but I don't tint with this. You also need a measuring tape that you can get it from anywhere. 5 meter is fine. Last tool that you require, the most important tool that you require is a heat gun. Now this is a Ozito heat gun that you can get from Bunnings Warehouse for 50 bucks. It's a great tool to shrink windows. I have been using this for many years and it's just very smooth. My heat gun lasts for 1 year, but hey, 1 year that's enough, because it's only $50. It's not a big cost to me anyway as a window tinter. If you want to check out how to start a window business, click over here and you will be able to see my another video how to start a window tinting business.